Hey, want to work for a team where every member will admire your cat during the Zoom calls? Join Fuse Service. Our international remote team is located in 22 different countries worldwide, and we are hiring and expanding. Interested? Here's what we offer. You can work from anywhere in the world. We use remote-friendly tools and software. We also provide paid vacation and sick time and pay the costs of your training and professional development. Additionally, we offer United States visa and relocation assistance, and if you just want to visit us in California, we cover your travel expenses. And for dessert, we show our appreciation with performance awards and wellness activity rewards. We regularly hold virtual team events. All pets are welcome, and activities to help you get to know your colleagues. Plus, we're just a super fun team to work with. If you're interested, send your CV to hr@fuseservice.com. We can't wait to see your application.